Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to have a coding exercise using the if conditions in Java. We would like to check to see if a number is even or odd. What is the definition of even and odd numbers? First, we need to review their definition, and then we are going to execute the code. So a number, let's say even number. A number is even if it is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division equals 0. Okay. Otherwise, it is an odd number. So this is a definition of even and odd numbers. If a number is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division equals 0, that number is even. Otherwise, that number is an odd number, meaning that if that number is divided by 2 and the remainder is any number but 0, it means that that number is an odd number. Take 10 as an example. Number 10, if it's divided by 2, the remainder of this division is 0, meaning that number 10 is an even number. However, if you divide number 9 by 2, you will see that the remainder of this division does not equal 0, meaning that this number is an odd number. Let me illustrate it with an example. So first of all, we are going to have a variable called num, and number 7 is assigned to this variable called num, which is of integer data type. Now I would like to check to see if this number equals 7 is an even number or an odd number. How can I check it based on this definition that I just gave you? We need to check using the if condition. So if, and in parentheses we write down the conditions, if that number is divided by 2 and the remainder of that division equals 0, modulo operator is going to help me to find the remainder of a division. So if that number is divided by 2, the remainder of that division equals 0, print this message, even number. Okay. And why I have 2 equals here? Because 1 equal in programming is for assignment. Now I'm assigning number 7 to a variable called number. But if I want the equality check, if I want to check if they are equal or not, we need to have 2 equals. Okay, this is just something by default you need to have in mind. So if number is divided by 2 and the remainder of this division equals 0, we are going to print this even number message in the output. But if this condition is not true, it means that that number is not an even number. Therefore, it's an odd number. So the compiler goes and checks the else part and execute this part of the code. In this example, if 7 is divided by 2, the remainder of this division, is it equal to 0? No, it's not equal to 0. Therefore, this condition is not true. This part of the code is not executed, therefore, and the else part is executed instead. So we are having the odd number. So when I run the code, we see that odd number is shown here in the output. But what if I change this number? Now I want number 8 to be investigated. So 8 divided by 2, the remainder of this division, is it equal to 0? Yes, it is equal to 0. Therefore, this part of the code is executed and even number message is shown in the output. Basically, this is how we can check if a number is odd or even in Java. Thank you for watching.